Ninja Professional Blender 2.0 Smoothie Maker, Drink Mixer, Grinder is a home and kitchen item for a specific everyday need. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied catalog lists powerful 1200W motor, 1200 watt motor base is made for powering through the toughest ingre. Another listed detail is AutoIQ intelligent technology. AutoIQ technology with a Crush preset program combines an. Also listed, XL family size pitcher, 72 Oz * full-size pitcher is great for making large batches for th. Before buying, confirm included items, dimensions, and compatibility notes. The limitation is fit, check the exact variant and your intended use before ordering. Use the supplied details to confirm the version that suits your routine. Overall, Ninja Professional Blender 2.0 Smoothie Maker, Drink Mixer, Grinder fits buyers whose needs match these supported listing details. Others should compare alternatives.